Introducing Nubia, the world's first smartwatch with a flexible display. Powerful, functional, and customizable, Nubia is matching your modern lifestyle, giving you a cool and stylish look for different scenarios. The ultra-long curved display wraps around your wrist seamlessly, making it ergonomic and comfortable to wear, while enhancing your visual experience. So you can enjoy a better overview of all your information, allowing you more interactions and less scrolling. You can easily switch between themes for the perfect fit of any situation. And with our innovative app, you can even create your own styles from any pictures or graphics. Now you can track your health data 24/7, easily check your heart rate, steps, distance, calorie intake, or sleep cycles. Plan your workouts, set up goals, and control your achievements. The watch is designed extremely user-friendly. No need to operate complicated menus. Simply check your information at a glance. Nubia also assists you in your personal life or at work and helps to boost your efficiency. You can stay connected through the app, receive notifications, or simply answer calls through Bluetooth. And that's not all. The watch includes a lot of additional features, such as screen wake on wrist raise, a compass, and a customizable marquee mode. Straps will be available in different materials and sizes. It's our vision to bring a revolutionary product to the market that elevates the way we live. Nubia is innovative, versatile, and powerful. The perfect fit for your wrist. So don't wait for the future and get your Nubia watch now.